A day in the life of Pips. The world awakens, painted in gentle hues. Listen closely. Can you hear that sweet melody? That's Pip, our little feathered friend, greeting the dawn. Pip stretches his tiny wings, ready to embrace a brand new day. He chirps a cheerful hello to the sun, eager for adventure. Time for a tasty breakfast. Pip hops along the branches, searching for juicy berries and crunchy seeds. He pecks curiously at a bright red berry. Yum! Look how he dances through the leaves. Pip is having so much fun exploring his garden playground. Every day is a new game. Pip spots some familiar faces. There's Rosie the robin and Carlos the crow. They exchange friendly chirps and flutter their wings in greeting. Together they soar through the sky, a joyful flock against the blue canvas. Friendship makes every journey brighter. Pip is a busy little builder. He gathers soft moss, fluffy feathers, and sturdy twigs. He carefully arranges each piece with love. Watch as his cozy nest takes shape, a safe haven nestled among the leaves. It's a labor of love, a home filled with warmth. Uh-oh, a playful squirrel is getting a little too close. Pip puffs up his chest and chirps a warning. He's a brave protector of his precious home. He watches over his tiny eggs with unwavering devotion. Pip is a caring parent, always keeping a watchful eye. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery colors, Pip returns to his nest. He snuggles in, tired but content. He closes his eyes, listening to the gentle whispers of the wind. Sweet dreams, little Pip. Tomorrow brings new adventures. Did you enjoy spending the day with Pip? Birds remind us to appreciate the simple joys, the beauty of nature,